Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something we haven't done yet. We're going to try to put in an aluminum fence. So it was going to cost a lot of money for this to be done. We went and bought the fencing ourselves. Can't be that hard. We rented an auger from the Home Depot, and so we're going to give it a shot here and see if we can get this done ourselves. So we'll take you along with the journey. 20 inches on everything. So 20 inches on an auger bit is really 1, 2, 3, like basically to here. Yep. So we should have 2 exposed augers at the top. We're going to give it a try on one of these holes in the middle first to see if it'll actually work.
Have you ever used an auger before?
Nope. Have you used one?
No.
Okay, well.
So the auger is the first step. We're going to drill holes. How many holes are we drilling?
26, 27.
26 holes with the auger that we've never used. But it should be easy.
One. Okay, so you have to have a little bit of strength. A one-man auger is like a two-man auger because if it hit a root or a rock, it kicks hard. So you gotta have some strength to do this. So not a one-man job. See what I mean? Okay, so this wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. I dug 27, 28, 29, about 30 holes in about an hour and a half with a one-man auger. But I will tell you that if you hit roots or rocks or anything, it will buck you hard. So you do have to have some upper body strength to hold on to this, or get a one-man auger and have 2 men do it. Have one guy work the trigger and one guy kind of stand on the side, or Holly stand on the side. I had her do that a few times too. So otherwise it will buck you hard, and there's, you have to be prepared for that. So, but it's doable. It's just, eat your Wheaties before you do it. If that's an old man thing, I get it, but that's kind of the way it is. But it's a lot easier than digging by hand. So hour and a half to have 30 holes dug at basically a 2-foot depth, ready to put a fence in, is definitely a lot easier than digging holes. So. People think you do your own stuff, you do your own work, and your neighbor, people think you're crazy. You're used to working a shovel. So if you need to bury your body from an HOA situation, you can handle it. Let's hope that this is we're not gonna have to dig out every single hole, or we're gonna be here a while. Okay, so I don't think I'd do this again. We put in 26 panels, 156, 160 feet of fencing. It's definitely tough work, and but if you want to save money, this is the way to save money. It would have cost, so this total 156 feet cost us roughly $2,000, right? And that's with fencing, well, yeah, probably about $2,000, $2,100 with concrete fencing and renting a tool to do the auger for it. It's tough work though, and to be honest,
it was 8 straight hours.
It's 8 hours. Yeah, so it's 8 hours of work, but it turned out really good. It's done. I'm happy it's done. It's pretty straight. It's straight enough.
What do you think they would have charged us to install it?
So, first of all, they would have mandated that I use their fencing, which they would have upcharged on. So I think they probably would have charged us about $6,000 total. to do the work.
So you saved $4,000 in 8 hours, but you're exhausted.
Hourly rate, great, but I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I definitely need a shower, but I'm not really that hurt yet. But tomorrow I'm sure I will be. But anyway, it turned out. I mean, it is what it is. It's a great fence. I mean, if you look down the line, it looks great. It's not perfectly straight because there were some stumps. We ran into some stumps and some challenges with we were backing to a wood, so there was definitely some challenges with like tree stumps and rocks and things like that.
Spiders.
There's a couple spider incidents, but for the most part, it's pretty straight. We deviated a little bit, you know, a few inches here and there to get around some things, but that's it. So that's it. So fence is done. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll put a link in the description below. I also save money with Home Depot with a 10% off coupon thing, which is really kind of good. That's why I got my fencing for like $1,800, which is great for this amount of fencing. Bad news is I got to finish up a few little access points yet, but good news is the majority of the fencing is complete.